Good morning. My name is Oritra Mukherjee, and today I'm going to discuss about my work in the past 2 months in Sriji and Company under Mr. Naresh Arora. So my work was in Sriji and Company was there to understand, to research the demand of cable tray in India. So before talking that what was my work there, let me tell about the cable tray a little bit. Like cable tray, as you can see that in the name, it is called the last name of this thing. Cable tray is a tray. That means it's a basically a tray-like structure. And why? What we use for a what thing we use for a tray-like structure? We put something on it. So basically, it is a thing where we can put the cables in a particular manner so that it will be there. It will be not roaming here and there. The electric wires, electric cables will be there in a sequential way that it will not be affected anywhere else. So basically, according to the definition, cable tray is a bridge that allows a safe transport of wires across open spans and gives protection against the overheating and fire builder problems. You can see that image that inside this tray-like structure, this basin-like structure, you can put the cables like this. Now it is used for cable management in commercial and industrial construction. Basically, it is used in commercial and industrial construction because in the commercial buildings and industrial buildings, the buildings are generally big. So you need a lot of cables there. So yeah, if you need a lot of cables there, you need to arrange it properly. You need to arrange it in a proper way so that this will not cause any problem or any damage. So that is why cable tray is used. There are some types of cable trays like ladder, solid bottom, trough, channel, wire mesh, and single rail. You can see in the pictures that what are the types of cable tray and how it looks like. Materials are generally used like stainless steel, low carbon steel, aluminium, and GRP. In Jaipur, especially, this stainless steel and aluminium cable tray are more famous than others. They can build those type of cable trays, but you have to order a huge amount so that they can get, because those are not easily available here. You have to make it. And finishing are mostly pre-galvanized and hot dip galvanized, and if someone is required for a special paint, that is a different case. So now coming to my work. So in this past 2 months, I have visited many electrical shops in near Ganpati Plaza and asked for the demand and price and what material they are using, from where they are getting that material, how they got the labor to do to manufacture cable trays. Apart from that, I have visited some of the cable tray manufacturers also, like National and IR, and also some other, to understand the manufacturing style, because I feel that the electrical shop in Ganpati Plaza, they don't manufacture it, they supply it. They buy in a wholesale rate from those manufacturers from Jaipur or from any other places, and they supply it in the market. So what I came to know is that Jaipur is basically the hub of cable tray in Rajasthan particularly, and the demand is growing day by day because the new construction is continuously there, and the new industries are coming, industrial area are building. So this the demand of cable tray is continuously increasing. It's no stop right now, at least for some year in near future. So and more than 2,000 meters cable tray is sold in Jaipur, almost in each and every electrical shop. And if you are talking about manufacturers, then it is far more. And these are the market price of cable tray, mostly 2000 mm width and 200 mm width and 300 mm width. These are mostly common in cable tray. you can get these, and you can get the easily available. You order and you can get. But if you want the other amount, like other thing like 600 mm and 150 mm, 150 mm you maybe you will get easily, but 600 mm you have to order it on a bulk way, so that they can arrange, and you will get it after some time. And obviously transport cost and 18% GST is extra, that is not included in that price, like 295 per meter, it is not included. So now the raw materials are basically raw plain aluminum and steel bar. You can get it from anywhere, like aluminum who sell aluminum and steel. So these are the raw materials. And human resource. So talking about human resource, there is one problem that many people don't know how to make cable tray. So you have to train them. Mostly the manufacturer, what they did, they generally hire some people who have a knowledge on making something in aluminum and steel, and they train them in cable tray under the supervision of a person who knows things. And this 3.4 to 4.4 LPA is generally the salary of the supervisor, whereas the worker salary is generally 1.5 to 2.5 LPA. And also they have some manufacturers, what they did not only in Jaipur and across Rajasthan, that they pay the workers according to how much they produce. Like if you produce 1 kg party, you will get 22 rupees accordingly. If you produce 100 kg party, you will get 2200 rupees party. So this is the tactics of paying them. So what I got the information, accordingly I have created a SWOT. So the strength is the Jaipur is the hub of the cable tray. So their requirements is huge. So, and it is growing day by day. So if you are making a cable tray industry here, so it will be profitable. Next is most of the raw materials are sold in Jaipur, so transport cost will not be that much, because obviously if you are transporting something from somewhere else, it will be more. Third is very profitable business, because the worker cost is also not that much, and the cost price is also not that high, and per unit you will get more profit here. Next is weaknesses. Weaknesses is less number of people available who can make cable tray. So here I am saying this a weakness because if you are hiring some people who don't know how to make cable tray, and you have to train them, so initially you have to invest on them. Obviously for all the freshers, every company invests, but you need to have that much money initially, so that you can invest on them for some time, so that they can be ready to give the productivity. So initially that is a problem. Next is opportunity. Opportunity is due to the growth of industrial area and the demand of cable tray is increasing day by day. So obviously if the more buildings are constructed here, then the demand of cable tray will also be increased day by day. And is mostly everyone in Jaipur supplies same type of cable tray, which is their own limitations. So basically, as I told, so basically here what happened, that ladder type of cable tray, claw type of cable tray, these two type of cable tray are mainly there. Mainly you can sell this is there. Otherwise you have to order in a bulk, and the same thing happens, that you will take some time and it will be more costlier also. And third is huge competitions. There are a lot of suppliers there, and there are plenty manufacturers also there. So if you are doing a business on cable tray, so you should know that you have a huge competition. So after that, I have given recommendations to them, that if you can see that this is the left one is the claw type of cable tray, and the right one is the ladder type of cable tray. So what is the strength of the claw type of cable tray? It's basically a basin-like structure. So here, if you have a more than normal number of cables, so you can put it together and it will be there. So you have that capacity, you have that place to put a lot of cable, lot of electrical cable there. But there is a problem here. If the cables are heat prone, then it will not work because it will be short circuit or some damage will happen. And next is ladder type cable tray. In ladder type cable tray, this is open. So if you are the cables are heat prone to heat, then it will work here because the air passing will be there, so nothing will happen. But if you are huge number of cable is there, it will not work here. So based on these things, if you have to put a lot of number of cable, lot amount of cable tray cable in a particular place which is heat prone, what will you do? Then you can use this wire mesh, because as you can see in this structure that this is a open area as well, because the lot of air pass is there, and also this is a basin-like structure. One problem is there that the length of this cable tray, this type of cable tray is lesser than straw type, but if you are manufacturing, you can manufacture like that only, so it will work. So my recommendation was that if required, use this type of cable tray, wire mesh cable tray instead of straw or ladder. It will solve the both problem. But one problem is there, like if the cost prices are slightly more, but if the demand is more, then the cost, the unit of selling will be also more. So in that case, the total benefit will be more adjusted in that, and you will get more benefit. So that was my work.